Okay, so elimination means we need a set of variables that have the same coefficient but opposite signs. So here I've got one already, 3 and minus 3. 3 and minus 3. So when I combine those, they'll turn into a 0. So I can just add these two together. 3x minus 3x, that turned into a 0. A negative 5y and a negative 5y, that's negative 10y. And then 16 plus 4 is 20. Then I divide by negative 10 on both sides to get a value for y. And that tells me y equals negative 2. So we've got y, now we just need the x. Choose either equation, whichever one you think will be easier to work with. I'll choose that one. And when you hit where it says the letter y, you've got a value for y, so just drop it into that spot. So you're writing the equation, and then just clean it up, right? 3x minus 5 minus 2, so a negative times a negative makes that a positive, and 5 and 2 is a 10. Then we want to know what x is, so we need to move the number to the other side. Minus 10 turns into 0 there. And 16 minus 10 is 6. Then we divide by 3 on both sides, and we get x equals 2. So now I've got the x and the y coordinate. The answer is the x coordinate comma the y coordinate. Remember, these were originally the x's and the y's. Those are graphable lines. So the solution is this point. This point's on both lines. The check step is to substitute. You think there'd be some quick way. Erase entire stroke. Okay. I'm going to substitute this for the x and this for the y into the first equation to verify. I'll do my verifies in red. Okay, so we've got 3. Put the 2 in where the x is. Minus 5. I put the negative 2 in where the y is. That should equal 16. We do the math on this side. 3 times 2 is 6. A negative 5 and a negative 2 become a positive 10. 6 plus 10 is 16. Does 16 equal 16? Yes, it does. So that check step worked. And then you substitute it into the second one. Okay, and I need more space. Circle this and erase. Erase. Okay, so for the second one, I do the same thing. My answer was originally 2 and negative 2. So negative 3, x was a 2, minus 5, y was a negative 2. That should equal 4. So I'm just checking by doing the math on the right-hand side. That's a negative 6. That's plus 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Does 4 equal 4? Yes, it does. It works in that one as well. So that's how you do the first one.